Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Moorish Cuisine. Winter break is around the corner and you will be spending more time with your kids. But be ready to hear stuff like, I'm bored or can I have one more snack please? To solve this problem, I'm sharing this great recipe which kids will love. It's crispy chicken tenders. They are moist and juicy from inside but crispy from outside. So let's go and make it happen. So first for this recipe, I'm taking buttermilk. You can make your own by adding a tablespoon of vinegar into a cup of milk. Mix well and leave it for a couple of minutes. Then I'm adding in a bowl. Then I add some chili sauce. This chili sauce is just to enhance the flavor. It does not add any spices in your tenders. Then I'm adding some chicken tenders in this milk mixture. You can buy the store-bought chicken tenders or you can take a chicken breast and cut into strips. Then put all the chicken tenders into this milk mixture and then we will marinate it for at least 2 hours or overnight would be preferred. Then I'm making some seasoned flour with the flour, salt, black pepper, chili powder or paprika powder, baking powder and then garlic powder. Mix all those seasoning with the flour mixture and keep this flour on the side. Then we will be needing egg to coat our chicken tenders. For that I'm just beaten an egg and then keep this beaten egg on the side as well. Now we'll take out the marinated chicken tenders. Now just pick up each tender, just drip the excess milk mixture and then dredge it into the seasoned flour. Make sure the tender is covered all over from this seasoned flour. Then pick up the tender and dip it in our beaten egg. And now we will repeat the dredging part again. So just pick up the tender and put it again in the seasoned flour. This will ensure the crispy coating from outside and then that buttermilk will make our chicken tender moist from inside. Now we'll repeat the same process with the rest of our chicken tenders. First flour, then egg and then dredge it again in the seasoned flour. Then I'll transfer all these chicken tenders onto a flat surface. I just lined a cutting board with a plastic sheet into a single layer. Now I'm heating up some oil into a frying pan. It should be 300 to 50 degrees and then very carefully transfer your chicken tenders. Now cook chicken tenders from one side for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Then flip the chicken tenders and let it cook again for 3 to 4 minutes. If you check it with the thermometer, it should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I will take these tenders out on a piece of paper towel to absorb some excess oil. Then I'll keep them in the oven until I will cook rest of the tenders to keep them warm and crispy from outside. So here you are, your chicken tenders are ready to serve. You can flatten the chicken tenders before marinating them, but that's completely optional however you like. You can serve your chicken tenders with the honey mustard sauce or whatever sauce you like, or like I did, I served them with some ketchup and french fries. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.